my spot right there.
Whose rig is that, Levi?
Nah, this is Take 9.
Remember, sound check at noon.
And what time is it?
2.
How's the day going? Everything going well, Levi?
Man, it's going well, brother. We getting ready to get it started.
Hi! Welcome to Mr. Rogers' neighborhood.
How's your day going?
It's going good. We're getting ready to sound check. So that's about it. I'm not as like alien. He's a little more camera kind of.
Dude, so how's your day going?
Good, man. Ready to rock tonight. This place is badass.
How's the day going?
Oh, man. Rad. We just got in from Kansas City. Flew in. We're going to jam out tonight. Been on tour about 2.5 months, so this is one right after the tour.
Where are you off to next?
We're home, and I think we might be playing. The next thing we might be doing is the Gathering at Juggalos, I think, out in Ohio. I think so. Yeah, we're enjoying it, man.
Cool. Probably nice to hang out at home for a little bit.
That's right. Go home and do like grown-up stuff like mow the yard. That's what I've been doing. Yard work. That's pretty much it. Hell yeah.
So it's like the 40th anniversary of that shirt movie you're wearing?
I know. Someone just told me that in the new Jurassic World movie, they feed Jaws to a dinosaur. That's what I heard. So I'm ready to see this movie. I got to see Jaws get fed. I'm scared of Jaws. So if there's something bigger, I'm ready.